welcome back to the channel. Man, it's Big Thursday. It's Big Thursday. Yeah, we one day closer to Friday. And Scary Falcon don't give a fuck if you don't like it. But yeah, man, getting ready for the weekend. Kind of cold. I think it's gonna be kind of cold this weekend, so gotta get up under here and do the oil change. I asked my teacher if I could do it before class, but you know, he told me he really couldn't. He said he wouldn't care, but yeah, he really couldn't. I thought if it'd be before class, ain't no sweat, you know, after class, something like that. But you know, due to his boss, he set you up. But ain't no big deal. I can just break out my ramps and do them at the Crizzy. Put my oil change at the Crizzy, like I did last time I did it at the shop. But you know, it's no sweat. You know, oh hell no! I see y'all up already balling up there. Y'all already on the bridge hitting brakes. Yep, I turned the route. I go right around that shit. But yeah, so what was I about to say? You know, I gotta do oil change. I'm going to get that shit. Cause I am at 22% oil life remaining. A $154.37, yeah. Hit 154 last night. Fuck is you driving so slow for? But yeah, so please don't be going the same way. If y'all notice this spot, they just filmed the scene of Chicago PD right there at that door. And then down here is where Roman was shot in season, what, 4? Roman was shot, Birds chased the young boy over there and shot him. But, someone would like to say, I'm about to say some shit. You don't even fucking remember. Jump out, boys. Oh well. But yeah, so you know, I got a few things planned for the weekend. A few things planned. Nothing major. You know. It'll be another weekend where you survive Chicago. I know I wake up every day in grind mode. Because I want everything that the white man got. Even though I know when I get everything that the white man got, the crooked ass government gonna come at me with indictments. And, you know, just gotta keep that lawyer and bond money at the ready. Because they gonna be like, what the fuck, a nigga got this shit? Hell no, let's investigate his ass. Let's put some dope on, because he gotta be selling. Oh, he ain't selling no dope? Oh, hell no, he might as well be selling dope, because we finna put this dope on his ass. You know, they don't want the black man having what the white man got. You know, so I'm coming for it. But anyways, my girl called. I'm catch y'all in the next video. Stop the snitching. Stay dangerous. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all in the next one.